Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillah, this academic year 2023-24, Al Rizwan has introduced competitive focused foundation exams from 3rd to 9th class in all branches. The main intention behind conducting this exam is to make students familiar with various competitive exams such as NEET, JEE, UPSC, MPSC and many more. Actually, these competitive exams are intricate for various high designations. To make career or to get high designations, students have to go through various competitive exams. If a student want to get the highest professions, they have to get remarkable success in various competitive exams. But to make the students fully eligible for various competitive exam, his basic skill and fundamentals must be perfect. So when our student face the competitive exam, at that time they didn't prove themselves and can't give the high ranking or the remarkable position in the exam. At that time they realizes their inabilities, and that time they don't have the time to recover their skills or the fundamental skills, and they don't have the sufficient times. That's why they give up that way towards the high designations. So keeping in mind the problems regarding the various competitive exams, Al Rizwan has introduced competitive focused foundation exam for the students for making them fully eligible and capable for various competitive exams and to stand them for the highest professions like collector, judges, CA, commissioner, SP, doctor, engineers and many more. To fulfill the aim of competitive focused exam, Al Rizwan has divided its education system in two types. The first one is competitive focused skill based curriculum from LKG to 7th class, where all the basic skills and the fundamentals of all the subjects will be well developed and students will be made perfect in all subjects. And the second method is target focused education system from 8th to 12th class, where on the focus on the various targets will be done and students will be prepared for various competitive exams such as NEET, JEE, UPSC, MPSC and many more. So fulfilling the task of competitive foundation exam, Al Rizwan also introduced a unique curriculum which has been designed by the expert team of well qualified and well experienced lecturers and HOS. This unique curriculum is a perfect combination of all the international, national and state level syllabus, which will be very supportive for the students for various competitive exams. And the papers which have been designed for the competitive foundation exam were similar to the various competitive exams, and we are hopeful that through this competitive foundation exam our student will get familiar with all the subjects, languages, mark scheme, negative marking, question format and many more things about the competitive exams. Our intention is to fully prepare the students for the further challenges of the competitive exams and give them all the required things and stand them for the high designations. And Alhamdulillah, for the first time Al Rizwan has conducted competitive focus foundation exam after the first term in all the branches from 3rd to the 9th class, and we got very good response from the student as well as from the parents. Parents gave their best wishes and congrats for this initiative step of Al Rizwan, and in the first attempt our large quantity of students give the good scoring. Many students got above 500 and above 600 marks. So seeing the competitive spirit, observing the competitive spirit among the students, we have arranged award ceremony for competitive foundation exam, and we have given the awards and the medals to the students to encourage and appreciate their competitive spirit in the exam. So whatever the challenging work we are doing, we have made up planning for it. That is two-way education system, a skill-based education system for the LKG, from the LKG to 7th class. Secondly, the target focused teaching from 8th to the 12th class. And third one is competitive focused skill-based curriculum to support the competitive exams preparation for the students. And the fourth one is the competitive focused foundation exams, which will make the student fully familiar with the various competitive exams and make the students capable for various high designations. So this we are very hopeful that after these foundation exams, a large quantity of intellectuals will be prepared through the Al Rizwan, and inshallah a large quantity of the students of Al Rizwan will be seen in every field of area. Alhamdulillah, at college level, Al Rizwan is doing the praiseworthy and revolutionary work. Through the full day education system, we are imparting quality education to the students, and through the 12-point preparation programming, we are taking the best teaching, learning and the evaluation of the students. And due to that praiseworthy work, Al Rizwan succeeded in giving the best result in a few years, that 96 students appeared for JEE, MST seat and NEET through our college. Among them, about 30 students got the medical seats, and above them 25 students got the engineering seat. This figure is very less now, but inshallah a large quantity of doctors and engineers will be given through the platform of Al Rizwan Science Junior College. Now at this occasion, I would like to offer my sincere thanks to Honorable Director Sir for his revolutionary planning in educational field and the implementation of new and innovative ideas in education field. May Almighty give him strength to do the work in a forceful manner and make him successful in all his dreams regarding the community. And I am also thankful to the team of lecturers and HOS for designing the syllabus and implementing on our revolutionary plan in a perfect manner. On this occasion, I would like to offer my sincere thanks and congratulations to the parents and the students of Al Rizwan Junior College and group of school for their best efforts and success in the exam. Now, if we will talk about the working strategy of the Al Rizwan, so Al Rizwan not only focus on the quality education, but also we have fully focus on the moral development of the students. We focus on the moral values of the students. We wanted to make the high intellectuals along with the moral values. Our aim is to prepare true human being through this platform who should bring name and fame for their own personality, for their parents, for the country and the nation. So for getting the supreme aims and purposes through the education, we are doing very forcefully work. We are giving quality conscious education to the students along with the moral values, and for the personality development of our student, we are giving the moral education from LKG to the college level. And we are very hopeful that community will get a great treasure of highly intellectual individuals who will be well equipped with the moral values and bring name and fame for the institution as well as for the nation. Now, lastly, I am praying from Almighty Allah to give us the strength to fulfill our aims and purposes in the best manner, and whatever the dreams we have set up for this institution, God give us success in our all dreams and lead the Al Rizwan at the highest peak of success. Now I would like to end up my speech some दुआई आशान। या रब हमारी ज़ात से अंधेरों का ज़वाल हो, या रब हमारी ज़ात से अंधेरों का ज़वाल हो, हमारे कौल बाअमल और काविशें बेमिसाल हो। मेहनतों की राह में कामयाबियों की क़तार हो, मेहनतों की राह में कामयाबियों की क़तार हो, फ़ख्र हो आसमां को भी ऐसी बुलंदी बाकमाल हो। हमारी काविशों को कबूल कर हमारी कौम के नौनिहालों को सवार दे, हमारी काविशों को कबूल कर हमारी कौम के नौनिहालों को सवार दे। चुन ले हमको अपनी राह में, हमारी कौम को तरक्की की राह पर डाल दे। आमीन व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।